Hello everyone, in today's video I want to talk about my favorite apps and platforms that I use in Canada. So if you are a Canadian DIY investor or you're a small business owner or you own a business, you definitely want to check out today's video because I'm going to share my favorite apps and platforms, and some of them are in Canada, built for Canadians. So let's get into the video. So the first one is Blossom Social Investing app. I am so happy to join Blossom Social Investing app, where I get to share all my trades and my rationale why I'm investing in these stocks. So if you are a Canadian, you got to check out Blossom Social Investing app because this app is built for Canadians. It's not like Reddit and Wall Street Bets where you can follow random people all around the world and then get all these different random investing ideas that are not even like good for Canadians. You don't even know if it's good for RSP or TFSA or the tax consequences. See, Blossom Social Investing app is built for Canadians. And if you want to follow different types of investors who are dividend investors, growth investors, real estate investors, you could just go in there and you're surrounded by like-minded Canadians. It's my favorite part. Also, they have a cool feature where you can actually earn money learning about investing. I have actually earned $4 just by taking a few lessons in less than a few minutes. Now, if you want to join Blossom Social Investing app and want to support my channel, click on the link below. It is free to join and you get to be surrounded by like-minded Canadians. Now, the second platform is called GoodLawyer. I am so happy I found this platform. You know, legal advice can be so expensive. And now with this platform, you don't even have to even leave your house. You can, well, get legal advice from the comfort of your own home. And it's the fastest, easiest way to connect to lawyers in Canada, just using this platform. So if you need quick legal advice and it's specific to your needs, check out GoodLawyer. Now, the third resource is called owner.com. This is the simplest, most convenient way to either open a sole proprietorship or get incorporated, super fast and affordable. And it's built for Canadians. Now, if you ever thought about incorporating, there's a ton of paperwork and you might have a billion questions. Okay, maybe not a billion, but many questions. So you could go to owner.com, get your questions answered right away, and then be incorporated super fast and in the most affordable way. Check it out, owner.com. And by the way, all the links are in my pinned comment below. Now, my next favorite app is, drumroll, Chatgpt. Obviously, I can't avoid saying Chatgpt. It is so amazing. If you are looking to build content, to even help with report writing, you can use this to, well, answer questions. You can do some research. You can rewrite content. This has been such a time saver for me. And I'm sure you've probably already been using it, but for me, it's worth it to pay month by month because I can literally consider ChatGPT a personal assistant to my business. So if you're just humming and hawing about whether you should pay for it, I would say try it out for 1 month. And the next app is called Expensify. So if you have a ton of receipts, this is a must-have app. Instead of just storing your receipts in the wallet and then having the ink fade, well, you can quickly take a picture, enter the details, and, well, voila, you could download and filter the expenses just before tax season. And now I don't have to keep any paper receipts, and I could download the entire Excel spreadsheet just before tax season. And most importantly, the pictures are captured. The copies of my receipts are stored in the cloud. My last favorite app is called Goodnotes. So if you always want to mark up PDFs, mark up PowerPoint presentations, all that, well, you definitely want to check out Goodnotes. This is very affordable. You do have to pay it, but it's so worth it. If you ever had to look at financial statements from different companies, or you got to review PDF reports and you need to just mark it up or add pictures, and you could build folders to it, and you could do this anywhere, anytime, because it's stored in the cloud. It is a huge time saver for me. Anyways, I've included all these resources and the links in the pinned comment below. Bye-bye.